gusto mo ng ganyan? Iced coffee. Sarap niyan! Lovely Melbourne weather. Yeah. I'm heading towards Lygon Square to eat.
Hey, you see it? You see it?
What?
There.
I know. I pointed out earlier to you. Yeah, Lygon Square is just somewhere there. And we rode a tram heading here because I don't have a car. It's broken. There's lots of parking though. Damn it. Anyway. Yep. So excited. What are you having?
Buy me a car.
Shh. What are you having?
A car.
No, what are you having? Food.
Halo halo.
Is there halo halo?
Of course. It's Filipino food.
Okay. So I hope there are lots of food. I'm excited now. We didn't have lunch. We didn't have breakfast. You did.
Kimchi.
I didn't eat anything. Anyway, I'm on a intermittent diet shit. But yeah, see you when I get there. Whew. There you go. We're here. Kids playing, band, and I didn't bring my 6D because it's too heavy. I just want to eat today. Palit ng barong. You go first, I'll follow you.
Halo halo.
You want halo halo? Is there halo halo? Yep, there is.
Thank you.
Oh, there's halo halo here.
Halo halo. It's sarap.
Okay.
And a barbecue.
Yep.
Quick.
You're happy now?
Quick.
Yep. A lot of food everywhere here, and yeah. Food. I'm gonna go to Casino ni Lola to get some lechon Cebu. Here it is. Bay, lami na lechon, bay.
Lami kayo, bay. Perfect, bay. Gikan sa Cebu, of course.
Gikan mo gid Cebu. Tama na. Okay. Nay, kumusta? Anong natin? Anong natin?
Marami.
Marami. Nay, anong menu natin na masarap?
Halo-halo.
Sige, balik kami.
Bopis. Gulaman.
Ayos. Sige, thank you.
Barbecue. Try our
Lasang Pinoy. Yeah, lasang Pinoy. And checking everything up here. Yeah. You want a sec?
Everyone is registered.
How's it? Cool. Ayo, na may ice. Kwan, kanang halo-halo.
Halo-halo? Oh, yan. Ready.
Bisaya ra. Kaya, wala.
Dam na, bay.
Lawan. Oops.
You know why kanang sa piyaw lang mas kamay lang sulod.
Not that much food, but yeah, enough. I know. Yeah.
Get familiar words from our own. I know that sometimes
That's nice here. Let's try our halo.
welcome. You're just getting ready. It means fear of missing out because you didn't get to join that.
Hey, we just finished our meals. We had halo and the camera goes blurry. Fucking camera, fucking shit. That is why I hate this. We just finished our brief encounter with all the food there, and oh no, she's gonna eat the food. Don't eat it.
Oh my god.
Okay, we just finished getting some food from the, what do you call it? Fiesta or something? Filipino Fiesta's next week. So, oh, there's a nice place here for photos. And yeah, we just had halo,
Quack
quack, lechon, skewer, like barbecue manok, and barbecue, what else? Chicken. I'm drawn out with this one. I want to take a photo here. That's why I can't think. Anyway, what else did we have? We had quack. Did I repeat quack? I'm not focused.
Quack.
Duck. So yeah, we're in this. Whoa, love the trees. Let's go there. I don't know these existed till I passed by here. I'm gonna take a photo of myself. Can you take a photo of me? Please? Please, I'll take a photo of you.
So it's you.
I know that. Go ang lahat sa akin. I really am cringing right now. The red door. What is in the red door? Well, it's the red interior. And you see that wall there? I can parkour there. No, I can't. I'm just dreaming of a white Christmas. And I'm pretty sure we're kind of lost. I don't know where we are. And I don't know really. Okay, I'm gonna keep my camera because I'm embarrassed now. Yeah, my stomach's big, so. Kain ka na naman. So, kumain na naman. Ayun. Sige. Bye. So we're having coffee. She's having iced tea, and I'm having coffee and raisin toast. Because we're watching Thor Ragnarok, and it's still an hour away, so we're chilling out here. I wonder if you can hear me because it's so noisy out here in Melbourne Central.